Hey guys, it's Steph, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So in today's video, we're just gonna be doing an ultra glam makeup look. I am so excited for this. I really just wanna do a full-on, seriously glam makeup look. So that's what we're doing today. So the first product I'm gonna be using today, you guys may recognize from one of my first impressions. It is this primer here. I was gonna say from Illamasqua, of course it is, everything is. But this is called the Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel. And as you can probably see, it's literally just like a jelly. Like, can you see it wobbling there? It's all like, it's like an actual kind of like jelly texture. I tried this stuff out recently and it is so nice. Like when you rub your fingers together, it does just kind of turn into almost like a moisturizer, but it makes your skin so glowy and it hydrates it. You see? It just makes your skin look wet. I'm obsessed with it. Next, I'm gonna be going in with a product that I actually haven't used before, but I am very excited for this. So this is the Beyond Foundation. I've tried out Skin Base and I love it. But yeah, I picked this up and it says it's a lightweight liquid foundation with an illuminating finish. I'm just like, yes, please. And I've got it in the shade MN3. Okay, let's see what this is like. Okay, that has got really nice coverage. This looks glowy. It's giving me coverage, but not so much coverage that it looks obvious. Taken half a pump there, and you can see it's just covering everything up, but it still looks very skin-like. Look at how nice that looks though. It's literally just blending out into nothingness almost. Like there's no streaks on my face. It feels nice, it feels lightweight. If anything, it just kind of feels like I'm putting on a tinted moisturizer. It gives like a tinted moisturizer effect, but with a lot more coverage. Dude, honestly, I've put the brush down so you know I'm about to be serious. Like, I am well aware, I'm very excited about the fact that I'm working with Illamasqua, but this is one of the nicer foundations that I've tried in a really long time. Obviously, I need to powder it down and stuff, but how this looks, I am actually obsessed with it, to be honest. So now I have two different concealers. One of them I've not tried before. This is the Skin Base Lift. It's a brightening concealer. And then this one here, which I actually completely forgot about, but this is actually really nice. It's called the Skin Base Concealer Pen. And it's really cool because it's got a metal applicator, so it's really cooling on the eyes. First of all, though, I'm gonna go in with the Skin Base Lift. This one I got in the shade Light 1, so it looks like that. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that and mostly focus that on my under eyes. Because like I said, it is a corrector, so I'm just gonna cancel out any of my darkness under there. That actually blends out way. So I'm just making sure to get rid of any darkness in my inner corner. So now that I've brightened my under eyes, I really don't need to use a lot of this. This stuff is very full coverage. So as you can see, it just comes out of the applicator there. And I'm just gonna blend that out underneath here, honestly. This is so cooling on my under eyes right now. It feels good. I'm just gonna take the same brush that I used with that corrector and just blend that out. Honestly, this stuff is no joke. You could literally just like dot a bit of this concealer all over your face and it would probably give you enough coverage as like a foundation. Like seriously, look at the difference in my under eyes. We've already got the brightener here, but this literally has just covered everything. Okay, coverage, yes. Glowy skin, yes. So now we're gonna move on to one of the products that I am probably the most excited for, to be honest, and this is the Gel Sculpt. Now, I've seen Harush, Kim Kardashian's makeup artist, she has used this before, and apparently it's like the most insane contour that's like almost invisible, so it's not gonna make you look ashy or anything, but it works. Like it just subtly contours you. Okay, so I'm gonna go just under here. I don't know how much I need or whatever. I'm just gonna blend that out with my foundation brush again. To be fair, that's actually given me a really nice shadow. I always want to use it for my jaw. I really want to just like sharpen my jaw out. It feels very nice and cooling as well. Let's just do it up here. I feel like this is quite a unique product because we've all tried contour sticks, we've all tried powder contour, but this actually, it's not a cream. Like it says, it is a gel and it does just blend out really nicely, whilst also giving you a little bit of sculpt. Very, very, very happy with this. This is my favorite product so far. So next, I'm gonna try and get some highlighters, my favorite part of every video. And so this one here is in the shade Aurora, and it's this really pretty, like champagne-y sort of color. So I think what I'm gonna do with this, because I do have the other one to try out as well, is I'm gonna pop that above my brow. Look at that. That actually looks beautiful. I'm gonna do some on my nose as well, because I feel like it's just blending out so easily. A little bit on my nose there. You can probably see it a bit better there. It's just dewy. That's the best way I can describe it. It's just literal dew. Next, I'm gonna try the Beyond Liquid Highlighter. So this one here is in the shade OMG. I've tried the powder one before. I actually have it here, and it's good. It's very, very nice. Probably one of my favorite products from Illamasqua actually is their highlighters. Okay, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, where is it? I'm gonna dot that on my cheeks up here, and I'm gonna pat it out with my finger. Here I am, doing the middle finger blend. That's one of the best liquid highlighters I've possibly ever tried. Maybe. Can you see why? So now I'm gonna take some blusher. This one here is in the shade Hussy. I blush, therefore I am. I think I'm actually gonna go quite high up with the blush today. Like, I wanna do something different. I don't wanna go like, I still wanna look glam, but I wanna just, like, look at that. That is so nice. It doesn't even need blending. I'm literally just tapping it onto my cheeks, and it's just going, yeah, no worries, Steph, we got you, we'll do the rest. Now I'm gonna go in with one of their Beyond Powder highlighters, which, like I said, are so damn good. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna go 1, 2, this is how it looks. Let's do a swatch here, and you might be able to see there. Again, it's just one of those products that if you build it up, it's super, super intense, especially when you put it on with a brush. But you can also do a really sheer wash of it. Like, I've used this all over my body, like legs, arms, bum, everything. And lightly dust that on. And I'm just gonna show you guys how sort of subtle-ish you can go with this. You know, pretty, very pretty, or you can pick it up a little bit more. But yeah, look at that. It's so nice on the skin. And then I'm just gonna lightly dust that just kind of everywhere, really. Just look at that highlighter, just look at it, man. And then just gonna go back in with that brush that I was using before, just for my bronzer, and just pat that all in again. My camera stopped recording. I already did the majority of the eye. It's fine, we'll do it again. So next for my eyes, as I just told the thin air because nothing was recording, I am gonna be using this palette here. This is the Elemental Artistry palette. And I've basically just created something really smoky with a little bit of this shade here, like the most tiniest little amount, just on my lid. And I'm gonna show you how quick and easy this was. Basically, I started off by going in with this shade here, just with a fluffy brush. Just ran that through my crease. So yeah, I literally just put a load of that shade through my crease. And then just to warm it up a tiny bit, I took literally the tiniest amount of the shade here and just blended those two in together. And basically I'm gonna do a sort of reverse cat eye kind of situation again, because I feel like I've gotten a bit better at it since. To help me with that, I'm literally just gonna be flicking the eyeshadow up. Then I'm just gonna be taking this shade here, the tiniest little amount. I don't want too much. I don't want it to be like a super purple eye look, but I do just want a bit of that in there. So I'm just placing that down and then blending it out. And then once I'm kind of happy with where it is, I'm just gonna go back in with that fluffy brush just to really diffuse it. So I literally barely want any of that purple on there. I just want to give it a bit of warmth. And the same fluffy brush, so this is so easy. I'm going in with that slightly deeper brown shade and just wiggling that on the outer corner and bringing it more so onto my inner lid. All right, so now for the fun bit, I'm gonna go back in with that deeper brown shade here, and I'm not gonna blow it out too much, but I'm gonna run this on my lower lash line. And again, using a very small amount because I'm now gonna go in with this little pencil brush here. This is literally a paintbrush. And I'm gonna take this black and make sure there's not too much going off my brush there. And I'm just gonna blend that right up close to my lower lash line as well. I am barely taking any of this. I'm gonna really work that into my lash line. Like right in between all of my lashes. Sometimes it feels like I'm poking my eyes out, but it's okay. We're gonna, beauty is pain. And then for the actual wing, again, I'm just gonna kind of sketch it out using this pencil because I will go in with a little bit of liner in a second, but I just wanna smoke it out first. This eyeshadow, by the way, works so well as a liner. But if you just wet your brush slightly, this is so good. I'm gonna do all my tight lining and everything off camera in a second, but for now, I'm gonna go in with this mascara here from Illamasqua. It's called the Infinite Mascara. So it looks like this, it's got a really nice conical wand, which I find always picks my lashes up really well. So let's try this out. Yeah, so it's grabbing all of my lashes. You can literally feel it when mascaras grab your lashes, and like that's how I know it's a good one. And I'm only gonna put that on my top lashes for now, I think. I'm so obsessed with this eye makeup look. Now I'm gonna go off camera and do the other eye, do the mascara, do a little bit of liner, so when I come back, you guys will see me and I'll have some tight liner on, so hopefully it'll be a little bit more like, ba-bam. But yeah, I'm gonna go off camera and do that, and then I will check back with you guys for the lips. All right, guys, I'm back, put in some contacts as well, and I just put on some little wispy lashes just on the outer corner. So now for my lips, I'm gonna be going in with this guy here. This is a product I've not actually used before. It's the lip polish, and this one here is in the shade, give me a minute. This is called Vein, and it's this super intense glossy red. Like, look at that. So I'm just gonna pop that all over my lippies. That is so pigmented. It's actually really easy to apply as well. It's not like a gloss, it's quite a thick product, so it does just sort of apply quite nicely. Oh my god, why am I actually really liking this glossy lip? I love this. I feel like it's like alternative Hollywood glam. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave it here. I am freaking obsessed with how this turned out. I feel like it's a very not me makeup look, but then I've put like a me spin on it. Let me know what you guys think of this makeup look. Let me know if you've tried out any of the products that I've used today, and let me know what you think of the bold lip. I know I love my nudes. I either love nude lipstick or like blues and grays, but let me know what you think of the reds. Click that button. I literally just got cramp in my foot. Stretch it, stretch it. Once again, I want to give a massive thank you to Illamasqua for working with me on this video. It's just like a little pinch me moment, but apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.